Well, this is 37th problem, right? Let us check out this. 4 clock rings at the time interval of 6 seconds, 8, 12 and 18 seconds respectively. If they ring together at 12 am, then how many times will they ring together within the time span of 6 minutes? It is again the LCM based problem, right? Let me check out this. First you need to find, there are 4 clocks, rings at the time interval 6 seconds, 6, 8, 12 and 18. Let us find the LCM of this. To find the LCM, let me start with the 2, right? 2 3s are, right? 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are. Then again I will go with the 2, 3 I can't divide, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 9 I can't divide. Right, again I'll go with 3 1s are, 2 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Now the LCM of this is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s and as well as 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So 72 is the LCM. Now the question what they asked, how many times this is, if they ring together at 12 am, then how many times will they ring together within the time span of 6 minutes? That is within a span of 6 minutes. 6 minutes they have given, 6 minutes into, so I need to convert it in terms of seconds, that is 60, that divided by, so this 72 seconds once it rings together, that is 72. So simplify it, right? 6 1s are, 6 1s are, and then 12 6 2s are. So now 12 1s are, 12 5s are. So the answer is 5 times. 5 times it rings together within a span of 6 minutes. This is the answer.